If you're a fresher, then this is what you need to do with your salary. Invest on growth and risk. When it comes to growth, invest on skill sets, professional qualifications, connections, experiences, and exploring yourself. And of course, grow. And when it comes to risk, there are two kinds of risk that is applicable to everybody: risk of health and risk related to life. When it comes to risk related to health, take a very good health insurance cover. When you're young, premiums are less. So don't take a cover for 3 lakh or 5 lakh. Cover yourself for 20 lakh to 50 lakh, because you're covering yourself for inflated medical costs. So that is with respect to medical risk. When it comes to life related risk, there are two kinds of risk: risk of living too long and risk of dying too early. For risk of dying too early, take a term insurance policy. I'm saying term insurance policy, not an endowment or any other policy, but a term insurance policy with a cover of 1 to 2 CR that will protect your loved ones. And when it comes to risk of living too long, for that, invest in SIPs of mutual funds. So even a small investment of 2000 to 5000 every month will compound over a period of time, over 30 years, 40 years, it will compound to 1 crore or couple of crores. So do invest small sums periodically on a monthly basis, and you will get returns of this over a period of time, which you can use it during your gray days, retirement days, or even blue days. So yeah, good luck. Follow Number Leader for finance, career, management, and business game.